Hello.
Teacher.
Can you hear teacher?
Hello, teacher.
Hello. Can you hear teacher now?
Hello, teacher.
Yes, can you hear now? We're gonna going to
Yes.
okay. So we will gonna start our class, okay?
Yes.
Okay. One moment. Okay. So good day. My name is teacher Jennifer. So I'll be your English tutor for today, okay?
Yes.
Okay. All right. So our topic for today, Kwang, is people in town. Can you read this? Can you read this?
People in town.
Okay, great job. Good job. So people in town. Lesson 1, occupations. Can you read this, Kwang?
Occupation.
Occupations.
Occupation.
Okay, good job. First is can you guess what is the occupation of number 1? She is a, can you read, teacher? Writing? What is this? Market vendor. Okay, say it again. Say it again. Market.
Market.
Kong,
Vendor.
can you say it again?
Market. Vendor.
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 Market vendor. Okay, good job. Good job. Okay, the next one. The next one, the second one, the number 2. What is the occupation of the person or the man in number 2? He is an, okay, he is a sales staff.
Stop.
Okay, can you read this, Kong? Say it louder. Sales
Sell. Stop.
staff. Good job. Good job. The third one, Kong. Can you, what occupation is she? She is a
Is a doctor.
doctor. Good job. Very good. Very good. Doctor, doctor. Very good. Good job. Next, number 4. What is she is occupation? She is a
He is a
Can you read this?
cashier.
Cashier. Good job. Cashier. Number 5. Number 5. Do you have an idea?
He is a waiter.
Good job. Great job, Gong. The picture number 5. His occupation is waiter. Good job. Good job. Next, number 6. What is his occupation?
He is he is
Live. Okay. Teacher gonna help you. Okay. Listen
a
to teacher.
librarian.
Librarian. Librarian.
Li-
Okay.
He is a librarian.
Okay. Good job. Next. Read. Okay. So help teacher. Okay. It's you time. Okay. Read and circle. Okay. Okay, Kung. Is he a librarian? Okay. Circle if yes, he is, and circle if no, he isn't. Okay? Go, go, go. Is in the picture, Kong.
Yeah.
Is he a librarian? Circle, 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 circle if he is yes, he is, or no, he isn't. Circle. Yes, he is. Good job. Great job. Good job. Good job, Gong. Next, next. Is she a cashier? Yes, she is. No, she isn't. Circle, circle. Is she a cashier? Yes, she is. No, she isn't. Great job. Perfect. Well done, Kong. Because she is a mall assistant. Great job. Number 3, Kong. Number 3. Is he a vet? Yes, he is. No, no, he isn't. Uh-oh. Yes, he is. He is a vet because he is the doctor of the pet or animals. So his occupation is a doctor of pet or animals. We saw he is taking care of the dog. So we should circle yes, he is. Okay, but don't worry because you're having a great job. So number 4, Kong. Is she a postal worker? Yes, she is. No, she isn't. Circle, circle, circle. Which of the two? Oh, great job. Good job, Kong. Good job. Yeah. Because no, she isn't a postal worker. Great job, Kong. Number 5. Are they servers? Yes, they are. No, they aren't. Circle, circle, circle. Are they servers? Good job, because they are. No, they aren't. And are they postal workers? Yes, they are. Well done, Kong. Great job. You're doing your best. You're listening to teacher. Good job. Good job. Okay, next. Write and number. Number 1. Who are at the post office? Can you see my screen now? Who are at the post office? Put number 1.
Yes, sorry, my turn. No one see and your picture healing.
Okay, teacher gonna put. Okay, here, number 1. So this is a post worker. Okay. He works at the post office. Okay, Kong. Great job, Kong. Great job. Next, in number 2, put number 2, the person who works at the library. Here. Put number 2 here. Here.
Number 2 đây là người làm gì?
Number 2.
Salesperson.
Okay, teacher gonna put. Okay, number 2. Great job, Gong. Great job.
Sales staff. Okay.
Okay, Kong. I believe we are all set now. So I hope you have you learn about our lesson today, okay? The different kinds of occupations. Okay, Kong? Okay. So teacher, gonna bye-bye for now, okay? See you in the next class, Kong.
Just think about it.
Bye-bye. See you in the next class.
Bye-bye, teacher.
Bye-bye.
Goodbye, teacher.
Good job, Kong. See you next soon. Bye-bye.
Goodbye, teacher.